What's going on, you guys? Today I'm super excited to show you my entire arsenal of algorithmic trading tools. I mean, this is what the professionals use. This is exactly why I'm able to see alpha and my clients are able to see great results as well. I mean, just this month we have Braden, boom, 10K month, Nathan, boom, 20K month. It's been real, really real. And we just have all these people getting funded, more payouts on the way. This is exactly how they do it. This is everything, and then I'm also going to go over some of the updates that we have coming as well. So first things first, it is the algorithm, right? The algorithm is basically able to show me exactly when to buy and sell in the markets. Now, when I have the algorithm, it's not just this, right? So we can see, we have this buy signal. We have both the take profits getting hit right there. What we do is we teach our clients and every single person, right, how to actually read what the algorithm is showing us. So for example, if we go to this trade right here, we can see that, okay, when we got this trade, volatility was decreasing. And that's exactly why it was going up, because when volatility decreases, then the price goes up. But as volatility increased, we had this big spike, that's when it started to come down. So these are all things that we teach our clients exactly how to do and how to know. Now, as an advanced trader, typically most guys or, girls, they have this, all right? They have this on their chart, maybe an RSI. And they don't know what they're doing, right? They're coming in, mapping out the zones, maybe looking at the 4-hour time frame. They don't really know what they're doing. You don't know when a good buy signal happens, other than support or resistance. How would you know? Now, the algorithm fixes that by basically telling you exactly when to do it, right? It makes it easier. Now, here's the thing, right? We take this a step further because the last thing I want to do is just give you an algorithm and be like, okay, good luck, have fun with it. What we do is we teach you exactly how it works. Why we got this buy signal right here. Why the stop loss is right here. Why the take profit is right there. And what this RSI means and how the volatility works. Now, this is just one of the many tools, right? I mean, for example, if we go over the trade that we had yesterday, it's not just US 30. We had this short signal right here that we all got in on. Now, this one specifically was good. We don't really take very many trades like this one. But these ones are good because they're in this supply zone. This zone has been consistently validated. We can see we had a good trade here, and here, and also right there. So this one, when we saw this come in, we had a good track record before, put our stop loss at the high, and then boom, came down and we hit the take profits. And we were able to see, boom, that gain right there. The stock screener shows me exactly all the stocks that are coming in every single day that are hitting my criteria. So we had a stock come in today. We had a couple of them. We had NMRK. And we saw we had a couple of buy signals right here. Now, the last time we had something like this, right? We had a buy signal back here. We squeezed and we popped up. So, we're hoping that we squeeze and we pop back up. The other one we have is STX, which was found from the stock screener. And STX looks like it's a beautiful buy right now, right? This buy, came back up to the zone. Couple of buys back here, but this is just looking really good from right here. We have this zone that's being formulated, and then hopefully, we get a little push to the upside. Lastly, the final update that we have, which is super, super exciting, is AI. What to do is find the probability of these take profits and stop losses. So we can see right here, right, stop loss, high probability, 65%. That's one that we don't want to take. That's going to be a bad trade. And then we have the probability to take profits. Now, recently, right, some of the wins, which has been pretty amazing. Caden, brand new Tesla. Congrats to Caden, which is pretty awesome. A couple more wins in here. Daniel, 2,300 on these accounts. 3 accounts, so he's looking to get his first $5,000 to $10,000 payout. Right, so many more people in here as well, which has been awesome. Nathan, first 10K month. Let's go. Super proud of Nathan. Daniel, right, just got funded, the one I showed you. Julian, funded as well, right? And this is all in the last 2 weeks, right? People getting funded, people seeing gains like this. This just goes all the way back. That's really it. If you guys are interested, I'm going to drop the link below. Just everything that's new, that's up and coming. There's no better time to start trading than now. All you have to do is click that link below, book a free call, and then it goes over a little bit more information like I just showed you. But you can speak to one of my coaches, and then we'll see if you're a good fit for the program.